How to level terrazzo floor corners, step by step. Welcome to the most complete, in-depth tutorial on leveling terrazzo floor corners, one of the most detailed, sensitive tasks in terrazzo restoration and flooring work. Terrazzo floors are prized for their durability, elegance, and timeless appearance. But corners and edges are often the hardest areas to get right. Uneven corners can throw off the entire look of an otherwise flawless floor, cause water to pool in low spots, and even create tripping hazards or furniture instability over time. In this video, we walk you through the complete process from inspection to final polish, leaving nothing out. The history and value of terrazzo flooring before diving into technique. It helps to understand why terrazzo is worth this level of care. Terrazzo has been used for centuries, originating from Italian craftsmen who embedded marble chips into cement to create a durable, decorative flooring surface. Today, terrazzo remains popular in homes, commercial buildings, and institutions because of its longevity, low maintenance, and unique aesthetic. Unlike many modern flooring materials, a well-maintained terrazzo floor can last generations, but only if every part of it, including the corners, is properly leveled and cared for. Why corner leveling matters. Terrazzo corners are frequently overlooked during renovation and restoration projects, because they're small, tucked away, and harder to access with standard tools. But these overlooked spots can make or break the final result. A corner that's even slightly out of level will catch the eye against a smooth, polished terrazzo surface, and over time, uneven corners can worsen due to foot traffic, moisture, and structural settling. Getting this detail right is just as important as leveling the main floor area. And it's exactly what this tutorial focuses on. Tools and materials you'll need. Before we start, we'll walk through everything required for this project, including a corner grinder or angle grinder with diamond pads, hand grinding tools for tight spaces, a straight edge, a spirit level, leveling compound designed for terrazzo, mixing tools, a trowel or putty knife for corner work, polishing pads in various grits, a wet, dry vacuum for dust and slurry control, and basic safety equipment including a dust mask, eye protection, and knee pads. We'll also discuss optional tools like oscillating multi-tools for extremely tight corners and how they compare to traditional grinders. In this tutorial, you'll learn checkmark how to inspect terrazzo floor corners for unevenness, cracks, or damage. Checkmark identifying high spots and low spots before you begin leveling. Checkmark how to determine whether a corner needs grinding, filling, or both. Checkmark tools and materials needed for terrazzo corner leveling. Checkmark how to properly clean and prepare the corner area before working. Checkmark removing old sealant, debris, or damaged material from the corner. Checkmark techniques for grinding down high spots and tight, angled corners. Checkmark how to use hand tools versus power tools for precision in small spaces. Checkmark choosing the right diamond pad grit for initial grinding work. Checkmark mixing and applying leveling compound suited for terrazzo surfaces. Checkmark understanding the correct consistency for corner-specific leveling compound. Checkmark working the compound into corners without leaving air pockets. Checkmark techniques for feathering the edges of the leveling compound. Checkmark using straight edges and levels to check accuracy in angled areas. Checkmark blending new leveling work seamlessly with surrounding terrazzo. Checkmark matching the color and texture of the repair to existing terrazzo. Checkmark allowing proper curing time before grinding or polishing. Checkmark how temperature and humidity affect curing time in small corner areas. Checkmark how to grind and smooth the leveled corner to match the existing floor. Checkmark progressing through grinding grits for a seamless transition. Checkmark honing techniques for a consistent finish across the entire surface. Checkmark polishing tips to restore the natural shine of terrazzo. Checkmark sealing the corner after polishing to protect against moisture. Checkmark common mistakes to avoid when leveling terrazzo corners. Checkmark how improper leveling can lead to future cracking or unevenness. Checkmark tips for maintaining terrazzo floors after corner repair work. Step by step breakdown. We don't just explain the process, we show you exactly how it's done, one stage at a time. From the initial inspection of the corner to the final polish, every step is demonstrated clearly, so you can pause, rewind, and follow along at your own pace. You'll see real tools, real technique, and real terrazzo surfaces being restored to a smooth, Level, professional finish. Working in tight, angled spaces, corners present a unique challenge because most grinding and leveling tools are designed for open, flat areas. We'll show you how to adapt your technique for 90-degree angles. How to use smaller hand tools or corner attachments when a full size grinder won't fit, and how to maintain consistent pressure and control in spaces where visibility and maneuverability are limited. We'll also cover how to protect adjacent walls, baseboards, and fixtures from accidental grinding damage while working close to edges. Matching leveling compound to existing terrazzo. One of the biggest challenges in corner leveling is making sure the repaired area blends in with the surrounding terrazzo rather than standing out as an obvious patch. We'll cover how to select a leveling compound that's compatible with your terrazzo's aggregate and binder, how to tint or blend the compound if needed, and how to apply it so the transition between old and new material is as invisible as possible. We'll also touch on sourcing matching marble chips for repairs where the aggregate itself needs to be replicated. Dust and slurry management. Grinding terrazzo, especially in corners, produces significant dust and slurry. We'll walk through wet grinding versus dry grinding methods, how to manage water flow during wet grinding to avoid pooling in corners, proper ventilation and dust extraction setups, and how to safely dispose of terrazzo slurry after the job is done. Frequently asked questions covered in this video. How do you know if a terrazzo corner needs leveling? What type of leveling compound works best for terrazzo? How long should you wait before grinding a leveled corner? Can you polish a corner repair to match the rest of the terrazzo floor? What causes terrazzo corners to become uneven in the first place? Do you need to seal a corner after leveling and polishing? Is it possible to DIY this repair, or should you hire a professional? How much does terrazzo corner leveling typically cost? Troubleshooting. Common problems. Even experienced installers run into challenges with corner work. We'll cover what to do if the leveling compound shrinks or cracks while curing, how to fix a corner that's still slightly uneven after grinding, how to avoid over-grinding and damaging surrounding terrazzo, and how to tell whether a corner issue is cosmetic or a sign of a deeper structural problem that needs to be addressed. First, we'll also discuss what to do if you discover moisture damage or subfloor issues once you start working on the corner. Comparing DIY versus professional terrazzo corner repair. While many homeowners can successfully complete small corner leveling projects with patience and the right tools, larger or more complex repairs may benefit from professional expertise. We'll break down the pros and cons of each approach, what equipment professionals use that may not be practical for a one-time DIY project, and how to decide which option makes sense for your specific situation and budget. Long-term maintenance after corner repair. Once your terrazzo corner is leveled, ground, and polished, ongoing maintenance is key to keeping it looking great. We'll cover recommended cleaning products that won't damage the sealed surface, how often to reseal terrazzo floors, and how to spot early signs of new unevenness before they become bigger problems. This video is for whether you're restoring an aging terrazzo floor, preparing corners before a full re-leveling project, or simply trying to fix a small trouble spot in an otherwise beautiful floor.